Hello, we receive more and more requests to show more about this advanced immobilizer system that we fit on the vehicle. This is a 2016 Audi Q7 where we fit one of the Ghost Immobiliser systems. So it is a keyless system, and you go inside the car, you start the engine starts, everything's to be fine. The first impression, couple the seat, connect the seat belt, so we have no warning lights on the dash, drop the parking brake, and now we try to engage the gear. However, it's not engaging any gear. You have no warning lights, but you cannot select any gear, and this is because the immobilizer system is active. And what we need to do, one of the two options, it's either a secret code inside the vehicle that it needs to be inserted from pressing some buttons, or an app on the phone. So the way it works with the buttons, you can press it at any time and it'll disable the system, or with the phone you can literally go inside the car with the app on, and then it will disable the immobilizer. So this could be done either when you get inside the car, you have it, or even now you can open the app and have the Bluetooth on, and it will disable. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna disable from the secret combination of the button. We're gonna receive two indicators confirming it has accepted the code, and we select the gear, and I select the gear. So yeah, this is very handy. You could either start the car, leave it running, and no one will be able to access it, and the car is very, very safe this way, and will prevent any authorized starting of the vehicle if someone clones the signal from the key, like we mentioned before. It happens very, very often. And yeah, this immobilizer system definitely it's top of the range in the world at present. Thank you.